Hi, this is Paul Carlson, CPA. I'm going to make a quick video that talks about how you can give $1,000 to organizations that help children in foster care for free. Yes, sounds too good to be true, but let's plug through and take a look at a couple of these details. Just to note, I am not affiliated with any of these organizations. So I set up a little example tax return here in TurboTax Online. And if we filed this return as it is right now, we would get a $5 refund from the state of Arizona. Not very fun, and all the tax money that we're paying for the year is going into the state of Arizona so they can do whatever they want to with it. Let's take a look at an alternative if we made a contribution to a qualified charity. That's their code for foster care organizations. So on this page, we're going to say we're going to make a contribution to a foster care organization and have this example set up. So let's go ahead and edit this. So name of the charity is just a foster care organization, and you have your choice of contributions made in 2016 if you made a contribution last year. I guess it is now January 2017. And they recently changed the rules where you can make a contribution from January 1, 2017 through April 2017 and have that contribution retroactively applied to the 2016 tax return. So let's say we made a $1,000 contribution to this organization. Let's watch this refund number change. Our refund jumps from $5 to a $1,005 refund. So what this is saying is we give $1,000 to an organization that helps foster kids, and the state of Arizona sends us back an extra $1,000. That yes, we have to float the donation for a couple weeks, but the net out of pocket for us is zero. The foster care organization gets an additional $1,000, and the state of Arizona effectively gets $1,000 less, and I'm okay with that. So let's take a look at a couple example tax returns, as that is what some people like to see. So here we have the tax return before the charitable contribution was made. So we see that we have a $5 refund and we have no credits from the state of Arizona. So we're paying $2,200 into the state of Arizona general fund. Here is the return after we make that $1,000 credit. So the credit appears on this line. It reduces the amount of tax that we owe into the state, and it increases our refund to a full $1,005. So again, if it qualifies and everything works out well, that it's just a swap of cash from the state general fund into organizations that help foster kids. Let's switch back and let's go look at a couple details from the Arizona Department of Revenue website. So let's take a look first. What is a period for making eligible contributions? This is where I was saying that in 2016, the rules changed that we have to have the contribution in before April of the current tax of April 2017. So it's really nice that we can file your tax return and go ahead and put in the number and run the simulation to ensure that if you give $1,000, you get $1,000 back. And let's also take a look at how much can we donate. Here we go. So here's the limit. A tax return filing single or head of household has a maximum credit to $500, and a tax return filing married can donate a full $1,000. Then the other question people typically have is, who can we donate to? So from this page on the Arizona Department of Revenue, we go to Qualified Foster Care Organization, click on this link, and we have the list of all of the organizations that you can make the donation to. So with that, that's a quick overview. I'm going to make a follow-up video that goes through the 3 big gotchas you need to be careful of with these tax credits, and look for that link below. And I will also include links to these different websites that I opened below the video as well. Thanks. Bye-bye.